Hey, this is Raul from Tutoring, and this whole month we're celebrating Chinese New Year, hence the clothes. So today we got Christine to help us talk about the biggest taboos during this celebration. I'm talking about the things you should not do during this time. So you'll notice we use 不要 a lot, and this literally means not want, and in this context, it simply means don't or don't do it.
So, the first taboo, don't sweep the floor. 不要扫地。
不要扫地. Don't sweep the floor. You better not sweep the floor on the first day of the Chinese New Year, since Chinese people believe this can signal that your savings will be leaving in the same way. Swept away.
Don't throw the trash either. It has the same connotation. Don't wash clothes. 不要洗衣服。
不要洗衣服. You're not supposed to wash your clothes for the first 2 days of Chinese New Year because Chinese people believe this might wash away your good luck.
Don't wash your hair. 不要洗头发。
不要洗头发. The character for hair in Chinese can be pronounced as fa, which sounds just like the character fa in fa cai, which means to get rich or to gain a fortune. Now, if you wash your hair, 洗头发, then you could be washing away your fortune.
Don't get a haircut. 不要剪头发。
不要剪头发. Here we find yet another taboo related to hair. According to tradition, you should not get a haircut on the first month of the year, or else a close relative might pass away. Don't worry, your hair looks just fine the way it is. It's gonna be okay.
Whatever you do, don't say unlucky words. 不要说不吉利的话。
不要说不吉利的话. Do you remember your mom telling you to watch your language? Well, Chinese people believe that especially on the first day of the year, this rule applies even more. So don't go saying any negative words or anything that's bad, because that is 不吉利, not lucky.
Don't wear black or white. 不要穿黑色或白色。
不要穿黑色或白色. So apparently black and white are unlucky colors for the Chinese. This is because Chinese people used to wear white during funerals, and black many times symbolized evil. Of course, this is changing since modern Chinese brides will get married in white.
But for the sake of Chinese New Year, keep it safe. Wear red instead, because red is a lucky color for the Chinese.
And these are just some of the many things you shouldn't do during Chinese New Year. Subscribe for more videos, and check out the Tutoring blog if you'd like to read more on this.
Also, go to the Chinatown near to you, because there's so many good things in this celebration. Happy Chinese New Year! 新年快乐!